In this episode, we're going to install and set up the Outlook app for your phone. It will work on either Android or Apple devices. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is open up the Play Store on Android or the App Store on Apple. And in the search window, we're just going to type in Outlook. And you'll see once you even start, the first item on the list is Microsoft Outlook. We're going to select it and click on the button Install, and it will download and install the app. Once the app has been installed, click on Open, and it will launch the app. Then you're going to click on Get Started, and it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Hit Continue. It'll then ask for your password. Click Sign In, and it will complete the logon procedure. You've already added the one account. You don't want to add a second one, so click on Skip. And it's going to bring you to some intro screens about the focused inbox, the calendar, and attaching files. And it will launch your inbox. All of your emails will be there. It defaults to the focused inbox, which is something we discussed in a prior episode. If you would like to turn it off to just be a standard inbox, click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner and go down to focused inbox and flip that switch off. Click the back arrow key to exit settings, and you now have a full inbox. To create a new email, click on the pencil icon on the bottom right. It's going to ask you if you want to allow Outlook to access your contacts. I would recommend that you deny this. Otherwise, all of your phone contacts will be brought into your email, and that's probably not what you want. So hit Deny. It's going to ask you, are you sure? And click Later. I'm going to create an email. I want to send one to Matt. As you can see, it's not showing up, so I'm going to click on Search Directory, and all the Matts in the district will show up. I select the one I want. If I wanted to, I could click on the paperclip icon and add a file. And if I'm done and I want to send the email message, I just click on the arrow in the upper right-hand corner to send. To access your calendar, click on the second icon on the bottom, and it will launch your calendar.